Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move your text from one place to another in Microsoft Word. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the web version of Microsoft Word. We are going to move text from one part of the page to the next. So there are a few ways of obviously doing this. Let's say, for example, we would like to take this paragraph and we would like to move it somewhere. So let's click 3 times. You'll highlight the paragraph, and now you can use Control C on your keyboard and then backspace. Now it's not there anymore. You can come down. Let's say we want to move it to the bottom over here. All you need to do is click on the last word over here. You got this cursor, and then we can double tap and let us say Control V. Now your clipboard you can actually bring up by using the Windows key and V, and this will show you all of your previous text that you've clipped. So let's say we want to not do it like that. There's another version. Okay, so let's just say we want to go and we would like to take this and we would like to put this back here. And let's say now we would like to take this text and we'd like to move it about as an object. Right over here, let's go to Insert and look for Drawing. And from here, you're going to look for Text Box. And you can literally draw a text box. Okay, inside here, you can add your text. So Control V. And you'll see this is your text. So let's just resize that over there. And now we can obviously change the color, we can change the shape, and we're going to go and click on Save and Close. Now it is a text box, which is an object. If you double click it, you can just change the text itself. But ultimately what you can do here is if you resize it, it'll move accordingly. It'll reshape the text within that box. And if you'd like to click down and drag it, you can go and put it wherever you'd like to put it.